He built the world's largest hedge fund, not by guessing the market, but by understanding how everything connects. This is the story of Ray Dalio, the man who turned chaos into a formula. Ray Dalio was born in 1949 in Queens, New York, a middle-class kid with a paper route and a fascination for the stock market. At just 12 years old, he bought his first stock, Northeast Airlines, after overhearing adults talk about it. When it tripled, he was hooked for life. Dalio founded Bridgewater Associates in his apartment in 1975. It began as a tiny research firm and became the largest hedge fund in the world, managing over $150 billion. How? By turning the economy into a machine he could study, model, and predict. He called it the economic machine. According to Dalio, everything in the economy, spending, debt, inflation, moves in predictable cycles. When you understand those patterns, you can prepare instead of panic. But it wasn't just data that made him successful. It was principles. Dalio created a culture of radical transparency at Bridgewater, where even junior employees could challenge the CEO. Every meeting was recorded. Every mistake was studied. He believed truth mattered more than comfort. After nearly going bankrupt in the early 80s, he rebuilt Bridgewater from scratch, humbled but wiser. That failure became his turning point. He documented everything he learned in his book, Principles, teaching readers how to think logically, face reality, and manage emotions in both life and investing. Dalio's message is simple. Don't try to be right. Find out what's true. Because in markets, as in life, ego is the biggest risk. He spent decades studying empires, from the Dutch to the American, and warns that debt, division, and decline always follow prosperity if we forget history. But he also believes in balance, meditation, family, and perspective. In his words, pain plus reflection equals progress. This is Financial Clarity Club, where we break down the minds that move the markets. Like, subscribe, and keep learning how great thinkers like Ray Dalio turn principles into power. Because clarity is the ultimate wealth.